Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. I know the big fear factor right now is the MT.GOX distribution. 150,000 Bitcoins, OMG, gonna tank the market into oblivion. But not really. And I'm gonna tell you why. And you might be thinking, well, it's already starting to tank. It already dropped a couple of points. Well, it only dropped like 200 points. We were like barely above 20,000. Now we're like 19,865. And that's not really because of the MT.GOX distribution. That's actually because the Dow futures are actually down right now. We know that crypto follows the stock market. The Dow being continuously being down 225. And that's just continued fallout from Jerome Powell's statement. So Jerome Powell has basically pawned the crypto market right now and pwned all of us for the foreseeable future. I do kind of expect this to continue at least for the first bit of the week, going into this week, and maybe hopefully it recovers by later on in the week. So it's not really due to the MT.GOX thing right now. It's because of the Dow futures, and we're just following the stock market. That might actually pwn us back down to like the old low of like around 17.5. I don't expect it to get lower than that. But let's actually talk about MT.GOX and why that may not really affect the price. The thing is, like, MT.GOX distribution, yes, it's a lot, but they're not going to distribute it all at once. Plus, people had several choices already on how to receive the distribution. Bitcoin Cash, Cash, or like, I think there were a choice of a couple other coins. We're going to focus on Bitcoin and Cash because those are the only two real options that people are going to take. I doubt anyone's going to, or not anyone, I doubt many people are going to take it in Bitcoin Cash or anything. So like those are irrelevant. It's just Bitcoin and Cash. Now, if people are opting to take it in Bitcoin, they're probably not going to sell all the Bitcoin immediately, because if you just wanted the cash, you would have just opted for the cash option. So you don't have to sell it all yourself. You'd have the whatever the manager sell it and then just give you the money. So I think if people wanted the cash, they'd have just taken the cash option. So people aren't going to sell Bitcoin for that reason. Now, you're saying, like, don't they have to liquidate the Bitcoin in order to pay people the cash? They do. But the thing is, like, the first reimbursement or payment's already coming up. So, like, they would have actually sold the Bitcoin for that payment by now. So in the months leading up to this, they would have already sold it, and maybe that played a little bit into the market drop. But they're not going to sell it on the same day. So the thing is, like, the people who are receiving Bitcoin as reimbursement, a few of them might sell, but I think most of them are going to hold. The people that are receiving cash as reimbursement, that's already been sold, and it's just going to be distributed out back to them. Maybe some of them will buy back in, maybe not. I'm just really not sure. So regardless of which one it is, it shouldn't be a huge sell factor in the Bitcoin market right now. Any dip you see tomorrow is most likely going to be because of the Dow futures or because of the general market, or maybe Jerome Powell will want to pwn us again and say something else that's really bad for the market. We don't really know. But the MT.GOX distribution should not all of a sudden drop it. The only thing that could drop it because of the MT.GOX distribution is people being afraid of the MT.GOX distribution. And if like the day comes and nothing actually happens, then I believe the market actually will recover. Now, this is all playing into the September is bad for the market hysteria. So all these factors coming together may actually push us to 17.5K or so. But otherwise than that, the MT.GOX thing itself should not actually tank the market, and I've just explained to you the reasons why. So hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.